Exploration of space has been a source of fascination for centuries, but it wasn't until the last few decades that it experienced a true boom. Thanks to advancements in fields such as physics, chemistry, biology, and mathematics, scientists have been able to make incredible progress in our understanding of space and the technology used to explore it. One of the key factors in this progress has been the development of computers. With their ability to perform complex calculations and simulations, computers have allowed scientists to better understand the mysteries of space and make new discoveries. Satellites have been instrumental in our exploration of space. From providing us with essential information about our planet to giving us a better understanding of the solar system, satellites have been an indispensable tool. Another crucial technological development has been the creation of powerful telescopes. The Hubble Space Telescope, for example, has provided us with breathtaking images of distant galaxies, helping us to better understand the evolution of the universe. The recent discovery of exoplanets and the search for life on other planets are just a few of the exciting developments in space exploration made possible by these powerful telescopes. In conclusion, the continued advancements in technology have allowed us to make incredible progress in our exploration of space. From the development of satellites and computers to the creation of powerful telescopes, these advancements have been essential for unlocking the secrets of the universe and furthering our understanding of our place in it. We can expect even more exciting developments in the future, as our technology continues to evolve and allow us to reach even further into the depths of space. The human desire to fly dates back to ancient times, when people dreamed of flying like birds. The first significant attempts at flight occurred in the 19th century, when inventors such as the Montgolfier brothers and Da Vinci began constructing the first airships. However, many attempts ended in failure, including those by famous inventor Orville Wright. In 1903, the Wright brothers carried out the first successful flight with an airplane, marking the beginning of a new era in aviation technology. Throughout the 20th century, airships became increasingly sophisticated and people began to fly farther and farther from Earth. The first airships to reach outer space were Soviet probes in the 1950s, and in the 1960s, NASA launched the first probes to the Moon.
Minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. We have to go from ready to start. 2, 1, 0. Booster ignition and liftoff of Spacecraft and technology on Mars have also advanced in recent decades.
NASA has launched several missions to Mars, including ones with probes and rovers exploring the planet's surface. There is also an effort to establish a permanent settlement on Mars, which would allow humans to live and work on another planet. The farthest from Earth that a spacecraft has ever flown is the Voyager 1 probe, launched in 1977. To this day, the probe has traveled more than 22 billion kilometers from Earth and is still on its journey through space. The probe provides significant information about the solar system and beyond, further deepening our understanding of the universe. In summary, the human desire to fly and explore space has led to numerous historic moments and advancements in aviation technology. Today, people still dream of flying and exploring new worlds, showing that the desire to fly is still strong in our species. In our galaxy, the Milky Way, there is a possibility that a planet similar to Earth exists, with conditions suitable for the creation of life. The most likely place to find such a planet is in the habitable zone around a star. This is the region where conditions are just right for liquid water to exist on the surface of a planet, which is a crucial ingredient for life as we know it. Astronomers are searching for these habitable planets by studying the light coming from stars. They look for small changes in the star's light, which could indicate the presence of a planet in orbit around it. If a planet is found in the habitable zone, astronomers can then study its atmosphere to determine if it has the right conditions for life to exist. In order for a traveler to find life on a potentially habitable planet, several conditions must be met. The planet must have a stable atmosphere that protects it from harmful radiation, as well as a strong magnetic field to protect against solar winds. The planet must also have a significant amount of liquid water, as well as the necessary chemical building blocks for life to form and evolve. It is important to note that while the conditions for life are crucial, they are not the only factor to consider. A planet must also have the right conditions for life to emerge and thrive, such as the right combination of temperature, pressure, and nutrient levels. In conclusion, while the search for a habitable planet similar to Earth is ongoing, scientists have made progress in understanding the conditions necessary for life to exist. The habitable zone around stars is the most likely place to find such a planet, and a combination of a stable atmosphere, liquid water, and the right chemical building blocks must be present for life to exist. A journey to a Earth-like planet would look like a long-term mission in space, utilizing advanced technology to ensure safe and comfortable conditions for the travelers. The duration of the journey would significantly vary, depending on the distance of the planet from Earth, the speed of the flight and the technology used for travel. So far, there are no concrete plans for such a journey, but many scientists and researchers are thinking about the possibilities and technologies that could be used. Progress in the field of harnessing energy from the vacuum of space and the development of advanced engines, such as ion engines, could enable faster and safer travel in space. According to current knowledge, the journey to the nearest exoplanet would take hundreds of thousands of years at the speed we are currently traveling in space. However, the length of the journey and exposure to radiation would significantly impact the health of the travelers. Therefore, advanced technologies for maintaining the health of the travelers during the long journey, as well as advanced research in the use of artificial gravity and maintaining conditions on the ship, would be necessary. Travelers may also encounter problems such as ship malfunctions, issues with radiation protection, uncertainty in finding an Earth-like planet, and problems in finding and contacting potential forms of life. Therefore, advanced technologies and plans for controlling and solving these problems would be required. In any case, the journey to an Earth-like planet would be a great challenge for our technology and science, but also a great opportunity for discoveries and new knowledge about the universe and our place in it. It is currently impossible to find and colonize a planet similar to Earth in the near future. Despite ongoing efforts and advancements in space exploration, the technology and resources required for such a mission are yet to be developed. Furthermore, the vast distances between stars and the limited resources available in space make it challenging to support human life on other planets. As such, Earth remains our only home, and it is crucial that we take care of it. Our planet provides us with the necessary resources and conditions to sustain life, and it is up to us to ensure its preservation. The degradation of the environment and the depletion of natural resources pose a threat to our continued existence on Earth. Climate change, pollution, and the loss of biodiversity are just some of the challenges we must face and overcome. We must adopt a responsible and sustainable approach to the use of Earth's resources and take steps to protect our planet for future generations. This requires us to make changes in our daily lives, such as reducing our carbon footprint, conserving energy, and reducing waste. It also requires cooperation between nations and a concerted effort to address global environmental challenges. In conclusion, the reality of finding another habitable planet like Earth is far from being a reality, and it is more important than ever that we work together to protect our only home. The future of humanity depends on the health and well-being of the planet, and it is up to us to ensure that Earth remains a thriving and vibrant home for generations to come.